Hey everybody, this is Dimmick with CustomInsured, and today I want to take a moment to talk a little bit about something that really kind of a lot of people don't think too much about when it comes to group health insurance. So we sit down with a lot of companies reviewing health insurance options and things like that, and typically from what we see in most circumstances, most companies will actually pay 100% of the employee premium, which is great. The fact that they cover, a lot of times this is just in response to the market. You want to add better benefits to recruit better people. But again, for the employees, it then tends to be a very good situation. The problem, though, that most people don't think about is in a traditional group plan, although the company may pay for the individual's coverage, it's pretty unheard of or uncommon for them to cover the spouses or the dependents. And what we see, unfortunately, pretty consistently is an employee that'll have the great plan offered through the employer, maybe a low deductible, maybe a PPO, but because they're on a traditional group plan, the cost to add their spouses and dependents is so extreme that they're basically in a situation where they can't afford to buy health insurance for their family. These plans, they're charging kids the same prices as a 50-year-old. So, I don't know about anybody else out there, but, I don't have $1,500 to insure my spouse and 2 kids on a group plan. So this is actually another area where we have unique solutions that we can show people. For instance, a recent company we sat down with, this was the exact situation. The company was giving their employees a great PPO plan, no deductible. They were paying a premium for that policy, but they wanted to give their people great coverage. But all the employees were on their own when it came to the spouses. And, these are $30,000, $40,000 a year jobs. These people couldn't afford to pay $1,500 to cover their families. So what happens, these are all their families are going uninsured. Well, we actually have options, even in circumstances like this, where someone may be covered under a group policy. We can actually show them how to get coverage, affordable and very comprehensive coverage for their spouses and children. So, I just want to take a minute to kind of demonstrate another area where we feel like we're unique and that we approach things in a way that most people don't think of, and solve kind of legacy and ongoing issues that many people have just accepted. And really one of our core mottos is you don't have to accept the status quo. There are other options out there. There are superior options out there. And that's where CustomInsured comes in. We can show you those options. So that's all for now. Hopefully that was a little bit of enlightenment. Beyond that, as always, we do appreciate you taking a moment or two to hear what we had to say, and hope you take care out there.